Hi, Scott Nido, founder of Fairway Exteriors here in Kansas City. Before I founded Fairway Exteriors, I worked at James Hardie for nearly 2 decades, training thousands of contractors the best and most efficient way to install James Hardie fiber cement. And so one of the things that we're super proud of here at Fairway is when we look at install, we have written procedures and processes. We're constantly training. We use the same crews and the same guys on the crews, the same crew leads every single time. And so most of the time, our average install is about 7 days. Plenty of the small Cape Cods and Fairway and Prairie Village and the Plaza and Merriam. There's a lot of those homes we can actually finish in 4 or 5 days. And we get plenty of bigger homes in Overland Park and Olathe and Lee Summit and in Mission Hills that are more 7 to 10 days. But on average, it only takes about 7 days to install James Hardie siding. Maybe the biggest factor no one thinks about outside of weather is what are we taking off? And so if you have stucco on your home or you have cedar shingles, those can add about a half day to 1 day just based on it's a little hard to remove. But on average, still the lower end is 5 days, the higher end 7 to 8 days to have all new James Hardie fiber cement siding installed.